I used to be a baker, but I couldn't make enough dough. Just because I live in the woods don't mean I can't look sharp. Might be a special visitor today. I once caught a fish so big, it told me a story about the one that got away. Quick reflexes, old chap. Just how I like my breakfast. Forrest has got a voice, if you've got the ears for it.
Wise one's watching us. Don't blink, she'll vanish like mist.
You know what's odd? Numbers that aren't divisible by 2. She's been by before, curious soul. Forest folk respect each other's space.